Hello family, let's use aloe vera for massive hair growth. In case you are suffering from hair thinning, loss of hair, and your hair growth is stunted, this video is for you. We are going to be using only aloe vera to improve our hair growth. This is a fresh aloe vera I got from my garden. I'm just going to be removing the rough edges from it. Then I'll slice my aloe vera into two and extract the juice. The plain juice is what I'll be using. In case you have tried different hair DIYs, remedies, and products, and it doesn't grow your hair is still thinning. Aloe vera is a go-to for hair growth. Aloe vera helps to soothe the scalp. It helps to condition the hair, making your hair look silky and shining. Aloe vera contains essential vitamins that can help to improve hair growth. The vitamins it contains are vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B12. Not just that, aloe vera helps to moisturize your hair. So, if in case you are even detangling your hair, aloe vera can be used as a detangler. Can you see the juicy aspect of aloe vera? I love it. So now I'll be using my knife to scoop the gel from the aloe vera into a bowl. Aloe vera helps to reduce dandruff and it helps to unblock hair follicles. Aloe vera has been used traditionally, even people they can testify to how aloe vera works. So I actually have an aloe vera plant in my house where I just get my fresh aloe vera from. I use aloe vera a lot for my skin, for my hair, and even health wise. One of my friends usually use aloe vera. She drinks it. She says it cures her ulcer. Well, I don't really know how true it is, but that is what she drinks. Aloe vera has been used traditionally for hair loss because it helps to improve hair growth without irritating the skin. This is the second aloe vera I'll be using. My hair is sort of full, so that's why I'm using this. But you can use depending on how full and long your hair is. Aloe vera contains aloenin. Aloenin is the major constituent in aloe vera, and this does not irritate the scalp. It is so conducive for the scalp. Even if you have sensitive scalp or you have sensitive skin, aloe vera works best. Aloe vera is actually a go-to for me. So I'll just divide this into two again and scoop out the juice from it, which I will be using. This is the third one I'm already using. I did the second one off camera, so this is the third one. I'll just be extracting the juice. This third one was sort of difficult to extract the juice, so I was just trying to remove the juice in segments like that. So and then I discovered that it was forming lumps. So what I'll be doing, I would be blending it after extracting it, so that I'm going to get this silky, soft, and free free juice that I would want to use. So I'll just go over, put it in my blender and blend it, guys. And after I'm done blending, I'm just going to be applying it to my hair. I will be dividing my hair into segments, but first of all, I'm going to put it in my spray bottle. This is me putting the aloe vera juice inside my spray bottle for application to my hair. Then after putting it into my spray bottle, I'm just going to go ahead and add an essential oil. This is lavender essential oil. I bought this from a grocery cosmetic shop just in my neighborhood here. I'll just be adding few drops of it to add, extra scent to these. This aloe vera I'm applying, I'm not applying it as a mask. I'm actually applying it as a conditioner. But you can choose to apply aloe vera as a mask with other ingredients. But me, I'm just applying it to, condition my hair. I won't be washing it off. I won't be rinsing it off. But my wash day is actually very close, like 2 days away from now. And for my wash day, I will still be using another DIY to wash my hair. I'll be applying a hair mask on my hair. My hair used to be very thin, like my hair used to be bowed and thin before, just like you can see. But now, using aloe vera, my hair has been able to overcome lots of thinness, and I'm able to gain my confidence. So now I will be applying this aloe vera from the scalp of my hair down to the root of my hair, making sure that every strand of my hair gets this aloe vera. Okay, then after I'm done applying it, I'm just be braiding my hair into segments. you know Remember that I would want you to note that while you are trying to grow your hair, you should be patient with your hair. Improvement can take time, so you have to be patient with your hair and see what works best for you, and what works best for you, you stick around with it, guys. And also, other tips to growing hair and also staying healthy is to eat fruit and vegetables. You drink plenty of water, consume high quality protein, get plenty of rest, exercise more, quit smoking, and limit the intake of alcohol. And then you also grow your hair, you would be healthy and all the benefits attached to it, guys. If you are not yet part of this family, I don't know what you're waiting for. In on this channel, I share hair tips you would be loving and needing. You grow your hair just like as I'm growing mine, because my goal is actually to grow my hair up onto my waist length, guys. So stick around. I would really want you to stick around and become part of this beautiful and lovely family. So stick around, hit the subscribe button so that you'll be getting, and also after hitting the subscribe button, you turn on the bell notification so that you'll be getting updated whenever I post a new video. And you so I will also partition my hair and apply this from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair, making sure that every strand of my hair gets this, guys. Remember, like I say, consistency is key in seeing improvement. And there you have it. I just spilled the beans. I'm so excited to share this with you, and I want to know about your own hair journey, your hair struggles. Drop a comment down below of anything, any concern, or is there anything you want me to share on this my channel. Drop a comment for me down below. I would be sure to attend to your comments, guys. There are a lot of things I want to share with you. There are a lot of things I want to let you know. So that is why I encourage my viewers, if you've seen my video or you are seeing this right now, to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and remember that you are beautiful just the way you are. You don't need a validation from any other person. You are beautiful just the way you are. You are unique just the way you are, and God loves you just the way you are, guys. So yeah, here I have it, guys. I'll just be braiding my hair in just, I just, like I said, my wash day is just a few days away, just 2 days away. So I'll braid my hair. And then, guys, I don't know if you noticed anything about my hair. I actually trimmed my hair. I'm telling you, for the very first time, like, I've never tried it before. I'm so scared to lose anything from my hair, but I've trimmed my hair, guys. So I'll drop a video on how I trim my hair. So do well to stick around and check it out, guys. So please comment, like this video, share. I love you. Mwah.